Good morning. We are going drifting. We are here with Hero Cars for the very first time. And Hero Cars is something really cool. It's made by our friend Luke, and he essentially has hero cars from things that we know. He actually has an Eclipse that's not here right now, and also the actual Initial D cars. Never driven an 8.6 in my life.
And the water, dude.
Had to hit him with the pop-ups just for fun. Ooh! It like hugs the road,
Yeah.
dude.
It like there's like no roll either.
So there's an 8.6, which is not here right now, the 32 GTR, and also an actual FD RX-7, like a legitimate twin turbo one. But we are here for a drift event where Luke actually does a drift school. So I'm actually going to be doing drift school today. Our good friend Josh from Calibre will be drifting. We'll be doing some ride-alongs with him as well. So let's get into it. It's going to be a fun day.
Safety is the number one thing.
You're gonna follow, we're gonna show you what the layout is. That way everybody knows where they're supposed to be going. You can run either layout that you wanna run, doesn't matter. Just, you know, stick to one of the layouts.
unfortunately a tough hit. I did end up taking more photos than I did video, which is actually a bit of a surprise for me. I'm putting some of the photos up for you to see now. If you are a driver and you want the folder, just shoot me a DM on my Instagram. I did start the day shooting vlog style, but quickly transitioned out of that and wanted to focus more on the event solely. Here's just a few photos, but when the track isn't as hot, I'd actually like to document my time learning to drift a little bit more in depth.
Yes, that's it. New stickers coming out. ODB, no, ODG.
Actually, was taught with an automatic SO5.
So
I first
carbureted.
Yeah, carbureted. Yeah. So
piece of
I first started out at GLD, as you guys know. Brad saw me from the beginning when this car was like bone stock, automatic. He popped my hood. He's like, "Where the is your clutch reservoir?" I'm like, "I don't have one." So yeah, since then it's been like a solid 8 years driving this car, open diff, and now it's got a better engine. It just takes time. So anybody could drift.
First place, and I promise it's not because of pitting Josh in the Brown SC430. Oh. Yeah! And the thing is, he did it on his first run.
Yep.
First run.
Oh, yeah. Good job, dude.
Dude, definitely, man. That's why we do these events. We want to all get better, teach people, have a good time, and it's great to hear, man.
Everybody thank your media. Go out of your way to thank your media, because they're going to make you look good. Yeah, Carter's all about you, baby.
That's it for me. See you guys next time. Bye.